What exactly is this app that everyone has been talking about? App is not the same with the Zoom app. App is not even the same with Microsoft Teams or Google Meet. So what exactly is app and how does it relate with video conferencing? In this video, I'm going to provide answer to 10 questions about the app that everyone has been asking. So if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hit the subscribe button below or click on the subscribe button that you can find on the bottom right of this video. Subscribe to our channel, Digital Century. That way you're not going to miss out on all our latest videos. You're going to be notified when we drop them, and we assure you that we're going to be keeping you posted on all the development and the latest events about this wonderful application called Mmhmm. So believing you have subscribed to our channel, let's proceed to the main video. So first of all, what is the correct way to pronounce the name of the application? The application is spelled MMHMM, which is Mmhmm. But I've noticed a lot of people in recent times calling it some call it some call it and surprisingly, one of my friends is calling it Whatever name you call it, no one's going to crucify you, because you understand that a lot of people come from different backgrounds, different upbringing, different countries, different tongues, so they have different accents. No one is going to crucify you for calling it the way, this way or that way. What matters most is that we are talking about the same wonderful application that has been here to revolutionize the way we experience video conferencing. So what is app all about? App is not a standalone application for video conferencing. That's why we say it's not the same with the Zoom app, it's not the same with the Google Meet, it's not even the same with Microsoft Teams. No, it's not the same. It's not a standalone. It works with your existing video conferencing applications and then gives you an awesome experience. If you have used an application like the CyberLink Perfect Cam, you'll understand what we are talking about. The CyberLink Perfect Cam is a virtual makeover studio that allows you to apply makeups on your face, makeovers, change your background and all that, and then it will now push the video to your Zoom application. So your participants at the meeting will be seeing you very clean and neat. That's not the real picture that the Zoom application is capturing. The Zoom doesn't pick your raw footage from your face. Instead, it picks from what has been edited from the CyberLink Perfect Cam software. So this app does much more similar, but much more, because it combines artificial intelligence while bringing about this video transformation. So in this app, you're going to see a whole new level of video conferencing effects, fun, and features that will make you happy. So who exactly is behind the development of this awesome application? This app is designed by this organization called All Turtle Studio. All Turtle Studio is an organization that is based in San Francisco, which was founded in 2017 by Phil Libin, John Cifuentes, and Jessica Collier. These three jointly founded this organization, and they are specialized in developing practical artificial intelligence products, of which one of them is this app that you and I are talking about today. So what are the features of this app that we all are talking about? Wow, the awesome application has this amazing feature that allows you, when you're doing your video conferencing with Zoom, to change your background and put a picture that you want like this, or you can even feature a video on your background like you can see on this video. How cool is that? That's not all. You can also do picture-in-picture, which means when you are doing your normal video conferencing, people are looking at you, you can show a picture like this in front of you and be talking about the picture. Everyone will be looking at the picture. And you can also do video in a video, which means while people are looking at you, a participant, you will be able to show them a video and talk about the video. You can drag yourself around so that while your video is showing, like you can see here, you drag yourself around like this and like this, so that while you're showing, you're not going to be obstructing perhaps what you're talking about at the background. You're not going to be obstructing the view of your participants, so that you hide one corner of the screen and they'll be seeing the bigger picture. It's an awesome application, and everyone that has been using it has been pouring in wonderful testimonies about this application. So How do you use this app? Given the number of features that it has been designed with, a lot of people are wondering that must be a complicated application to use. Not really, not really. Like you can see, it has been designed with so many factors and considerations in mind. That is why you can use and control the meeting and the features in this app using this game controller or this, or more like you can see on this video. You see that? Very cool. So while you're carrying out your video conferencing process, you're just behind with your hand controlling the screen with your game controller console. So it's very awesome. It's very simple to use. You're not going to be worried about how to use the application. Moreover, if you need more tips about how to use the application, check on our YouTube channel. We're going to be posting updates and latest videos about how to use this awesome, wonderful video revolutionizing conferencing application. So next part we want to consider is who should use this app. This app is designed for everyone. Yes, this app is designed for everyone, but I particularly think that people that will enjoy this video most are coaches, those into coaching, and entrepreneurs that hold meetings, seminars, and talks will find this very wonderful. Another set of people that will enjoy this are content creators. If you're a YouTuber, you're going to love this application because it's going to give you a whole new features that when you're using it in your videos, people will be like, wow, that's cool, that's cool. Because this application comes and uses artificial intelligence technology. So it's going to bring about a lot of transformation and changes. In fact, you're not going to compare it with any of the video conferencing or video recording applications you've ever used. So it's going to be awesome. It's going to be awesome. Teachers, coaches, entrepreneurs, everyone is encouraged to use this application and they will enjoy it. So where do you get app? A lot of people, I believe, before watching this video must have gone to the Google Play Store or Apple Store to check if they can download it. And I'm sure when you checked, you didn't see anything. Yes, you didn't see anything. It's not even available in the Microsoft Store. And this is because this application has not yet been launched to the members of the public as at when this video is being produced. This application is still on the beta testing mode, whereby that means that developers and everyone who is interested is given an invitation to download and install this application, to test run it, to share the experiences they are having, the fun they are having with this application, the challenges they are having, the bugs they experience, the error messages they see. Share all of these to the manufacturer and the developers of this application. They are busy taking note, making corrections behind the scenes, pending when this application will be launched officially. And as you know, this application and beta testing mode we are talking about right now is available only to Apple users. Yes, it's only available for Mac users. It's not available yet for Windows, Android, and all that. No, it's not available right now. So it's available for Mac users. So the next part we want to consider is when will the app be launched for everyone to use? We are all excited to see this app rolled out so that everyone will be seen. So like we mentioned, it is currently in a beta testing mode. So it is not yet released for members of the public. It is not even yet for sale or even for download. So what happens basically is that as soon as testing is completed, all bugs are fixed and corrections noted and applied, we assure you that you're going to be getting this awesome application that we all are talking about, app. So we believe too that Microsoft version will be available so that you can be using it for Windows. Yes, you can use it for your Windows because Windows happen to be the largest share percentage of PC users across the world. So app will also be available in due time. But for now, the beta testing mode of it is available only for Mac users. So is app data intensive? That's what a lot of people are asking because they believe that the app rolling out with a lot of features like this might be data intensive. Not really so. Remember, it works with your regular video conferencing application, not a standalone by itself. So basically, it works with your existing video conferencing application. So when you put it up, the aspect ratio and every other thing remains what it used to be. The only thing is that the experiences and the features you have in the video conferencing improves. But we assure you that you're not going to notice any significant, if ever, it's going to be little or none of your data usage. It's going to be much more like what it used to be. It's not going to be too much. Next question I want to answer is, where can you find guide, tutorial, and tips to help you use app? That is the reason why we encourage you to subscribe to our YouTube channel using the subscribe button below, because we're going to be posting tips, tricks, and guides that you're going to use to enjoy and get all the best you want from this awesome application called the app. So if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, Digital Century, subscribe to our YouTube channel. That way, you're not going to miss out on any of our updates. You're going to stay updated, because we are surely going to be keeping you posted by sharing all the development and events surrounding the launch of this awesome application. We hope you loved this video. If you still have more questions that was not covered in this video, feel free to drop your questions on the comment section. If you want the link to download the app, we have also pasted the link on the video description section of this video. So if there is any other area you want us to cover, please feel free to share with us. Thank you for watching. See you again on the very next video.